How to fix Command and Conquer General's DirectX 8.1 error. Welcome back, tech lovers, to another Teknobalta fix. Today we fix the infamous Command and Conquer General's DirectX 8.1 error. Are you facing frustrating crashes with your classic RTS gem? Many users, especially after updating to Windows 10 version 1903, have reported this very specific issue. You try to launch Command and Conquer Generals, maybe even 0 hour, right? You're excited to relive those epic battles, command your armies, and build up your base. But then, boom, you're met with an unwelcome pop-up displaying a DirectX 8.1 error message. The game crashes instantly, refusing to start. It's a common and extremely annoying problem for this legendary title. Users have tried everything, haven't they? You might have already attempted reinstalling DirectX 8.1 or later versions. Perhaps you messed with compatibility modes, trying Windows XP SP2/SP3 or even Windows 7. Some even went as far as tweaking the Options.ini file to lower the resolution, thinking it might be a display issue. But guess what? None of those typical fixes worked for many of you. This error is particularly stubborn, especially with the Windows 10 1903 update making things even trickier. It's like the game and the operating system are just refusing to talk to each other properly. Don't panic, guys, we fix this. This isn't about updating your graphics drivers or reinstalling the entire game, not this time. The real culprit is a tiny, often overlooked file, dbghelpdll.ini. This file can cause major compatibility headaches for older titles running on modern operating systems. Here's the fix, let's dive right into it. First, open your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or by pressing Windows key +E. Once File Explorer is open, navigate to your primary drive, usually designated as C. We are looking for your program files, x86, directory. Double-click on Program Files, x86, to enter it. Inside this folder, you need to locate the Origin Games folder. This is where Origin installs games if you own the Ultimate Collection. Once you're inside the Origin Games folder, find the directory for Command and Conquer General's 0 hour. It might just be named Command and Conquer Generals if you don't have the expansion, but usually, the problematic file is in 0 hours directory. Double-click to open the Command and Conquer General's 0 hour folder. Now, within this folder, we need to find the specific file that is causing all the trouble. You are looking for dbghelpdll.ini. Yes, that's dbghelpdll.ini. Scroll through the files or use the search bar at the top right of the File Explorer window to quickly locate it. Once you've found dbghelpdll.ini, right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Delete. Confirm the deletion if prompted. That's it. Yes, it's that simple. Why does this work? This dbghelpdll.ini file is often a relic. It's sometimes created by older debugging tools or specific compatibility layers. On modern Windows versions, particularly Windows 10 1903 and newer, this file can conflict with the operating system's updated DLL handling. By removing it, you force the game to use the system's native and compatible DLLs. This essentially bypasses the old, conflicting instructions and allows the game to launch correctly. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference. Remember, this fix is specifically for the DirectX 8.1 error in Command and Conquer General's 0 hour on Windows 10. It's a classic example of how old game logic clashes with new operating system updates. Now, with that troublesome file gone, it's time for the moment of truth. Close all your File Explorer windows. Go back to your game launcher, whether it's Origin or your desktop shortcut. Now launch the game again. You should find that the DirectX 8.1 error is gone. Problem solved, just like that. You're welcome. Enjoy your timeless classic without those annoying crashes. If this fix worked for you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more Teknobalta tech solutions, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep gaming, keep fixing.